Scandinavian house design. Welcome to my Scandinavian house design channel. Discover the beauty and simplicity of Scandinavian architecture and interior design through our carefully curated collection of inspiring videos. Join us as we explore the essence of Nordic living, where clean lines, natural materials, and functional spaces blend harmoniously to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. On this channel, you'll find a variety of content, including house tours of stunning Scandinavian homes, DIY tips to infuse your living spaces with Scandinavian charm, expert interviews with renowned designers, and in-depth discussions on the principles that define this timeless design style. Whether you're a design enthusiast, homeowner, or simply seeking ideas to refresh your living spaces, our videos are here to ignite your creativity and help you achieve that distinct Scandinavian look and feel. Step into the realm of clean lines, functional spaces, and the perfect blend of minimalism and warmth. Our channel is dedicated to sharing breathtaking house tours of beautifully designed Scandinavian homes, each exuding a sense of tranquility and coziness. Be inspired by the use of natural materials, neutral color palettes, and thoughtful decor that create spaces you'll never want to leave. Beyond stunning house tours, we offer practical tips and DIY ideas that will help you infuse your own living spaces with Scandinavian charm. Whether you're looking to transform your living room, bedroom, kitchen, or any corner of your home, our expert insights and creative suggestions will guide you along the way. Our channel also features interviews with talented Scandinavian designers, illuminating their design philosophies and offering valuable insights into how to achieve the Nordic look in your own home. Explore the stories behind iconic furniture pieces, innovative design concepts, and sustainable practices that define the heart of Scandinavian design. Join our growing community of design enthusiasts who share a passion for creating harmonious, functional, and inviting living spaces. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. We're thrilled to have you with us on this design journey. Subscribe now to embark on a journey of Scandinavian design inspiration and elevate your home with the best of Nordic aesthetics. Let's create spaces that are not just visually appealing but also foster a sense of peace, balance, and serenity. Together, we'll transform your living spaces into welcoming havens that celebrate simplicity, functionality, and the art of cozy living. Thank you for visiting Scandinavian house design. Let's together embrace the beauty of Scandinavian living and turn our houses into homes that exude pure serenity and elegance.